Hi, I didn't see you there. Pokemon Master 69 at your service here with my buddy Pork Chop. About to go look at some Pokemon in the wild. Here, why don't you come along? Alright, so the thing about this Pokemon is that we're going to have to be a little bit quiet. And yes, something is different if you may be wondering. I got contacts. Look over there. See it? That's an Oshawott and a Psyduck. It's bloody incredible, isn't it? Near their natural habitat. The hose. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. You ever see a sight like this? Nah. We're gonna find some better ones. Let's go. Wild ponytail. It's in the wild tracks. This far from Gala too. I wouldn't expect it. Now, the thing about this version of the ponytail is that this one's actually from the Gala region. So, you know, shouldn't be here. You know, must be this far away. Could be rare. Hold on 1 second. I have an idea. Pork Chop, you know what to do. Okay. So, here's what we're going to have to do. So with me. I want you to distract him, okay? Then I'm gonna go in, okay? Distract him. Crikey. I got it. You know, catching a new partner Pokemon along with the great one, you expect me to not need any more. However, I do. Possibly Tepig. You know, the thing with Tepig is that they're hold on. Okay, hold on, I got this. Did you know that a fun fact about Tepig? That the upper portion of its head is dark brown and its long pointed ears are positioned closely together. It's a great fact about these majestic creatures. Let's go find some other ones. Come on. Well, here's the thing. We got to be on the lookout for some creature. Okay, we might have to cut. We don't have to go. So over there is a very dangerous beast. And I don't think I'll be able to get close to it without, you know, triggering its anger. Well, I'm gonna try. No, it's gone. It's gone. We gotta go.
Yeah, truly dangerous creature that is.
Okay, we're good. Okay. We can't be there anymore because he's going to probably kill us. But that's okay. We can look for another one here. Let's go. And luck would have it, we got one. Look at this. Too tired to be quiet. I don't care. This is a rare version of the Pikmin. It's red. It means it's probably angry. Why am I holding it? I'm not going to do that. Yeah. I mean, some say it's immune to the fire types, which I'm guessing it is, because it's red. See? I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's go find some more. Alright. And just what you'd expect one to be. Look familiar? It's a giant version of Pikachu. There. Crikey. You see it? Come here. Look, it's a Greninja right there. See it? It's a Greninja. There he goes. He's hopping away. Ah, what a rare and awesome discovery. Oh, Someone left all their food out. Attracted a wild Sonic. Ah. Those things suck. They don't really do anything interesting at all. Yeah. I mean, they're apparently fast. And that's alright. Oh my god, there's a Snivy. Now the thing about the Snivy, the thing about the Snivy is that the green, when they evolve, they lose their arms. It's a very unfortunate sight. But hey, what's the worst of it? Well, it becomes a giant green snake, so that actually sucks. Well, I think we've just about covered or found all the Pokemon in this area. That's an actual rare one. I don't know what that is. Do you know? I don't know what that is. It's a new species of Pokemon?
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. I don't need Pokemon. This one, whatever this is. Oh, got it. Well, today has sure been an adventure, to say the least. And you know what? I think that's good. Seen Pokemon. We caught a Pokemon that I shall name Butterscotch. Yes. Well, Pork Chop and Butterscotch, my two new partners, and technically this one I've had. Well, I think that's going to be it. It's Pokemon Master 69 saying thank you for joining. Till next time. Kick 'em.